So big theta is just one of a bunch of different functions that we can define. And there's a set that essentially corresponds to all the different ways you might want to compare a function. So if f of n is in little o of g of n, that's kind of like saying f of n is strictly less than g of n, grows less slowly asymptotically. F of n is in big O of g of n, there's our friend big O. That's really like saying f of n is less than or equal to g of n. So it might grow as fast as g of n, but it might be small. Big theta is the one we just looked at, which is kind of like equality, that they grow roughly at the same rate. Big omega, f of n is in big omega of g of n, means that it is an upper bound. F of n is bigger than or equal to g of n. So g of n is a lower bound on f of n. And then a little omega, analogously, is kind of like strictly greater than.